May profits be upon you. How you doing? I hope that you started your trading week on the best foot possible, because the analysis I put out on Saturday and to include Sunday, all of it hit. All of it hit except for one. And we'll go over each and every one of them. Here are those videos. All right. Took a screenshot of the page, and you can see 2 days ago, 3 days ago, and all that. We're going to look at gold and silver. We're going to look at New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc, New Zealand dollar, USD, pound, USD, Aussie, USD, Euro, USD. Okay. I took the time to put out these videos. I'm going to take the time to update them. Shoot. Especially when they go in the direction. Now, the first one is the gold. Let's take a look at gold. We're looking at it right now. This was the Sunday analysis. This is where it's here. I said price is going to hit this POI, and I'm looking for boom, 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 boom. All right, I'm looking for my same patented entry model, right? And what did we get? We got it here. Push, pull back, push higher, and break below that low, return the impulse down, right at the POI. I mean, it hit it, it tapped it lovely. I was looking for a possible coming up to the middle of it, but it just tapped right here and fell minus. Well, it's minus because I have it went down, but at 2.68%, 2.68%, that's quite a drop. And you should be in great profits. If you are in the short, manage your trade, all right? Because I picked two targets. The first target was already hit. The second one should be hit. You know, move your stop losses up and manage your trade. Take some profit. Make sure you pay the trader. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is NZD Swiss. NZD Swiss. Let's take a look at NZD Swiss. I'm going all the way down. Yeah. And what do we get? Let's find Sunday. Sorry. Let's find Sunday. All right. We see the flip situation here. This is the 4 hour now. We see that there was a possible flip situation there. I was looking at the possibility that price could make it up here, right? But I was looking at two POIs here, this one and this one. Why aren't I just marking it, right? And this was, where's Sunday? All right, Sunday was here. Yeah, Sunday was here. I was looking for price to start the round over, but it didn't. It didn't give the bearish price action. It kept going up, and then it took out this top. For me, when that top takes out, and I believe I mentioned that in the video, I said if it takes out the high there with a break and a close above it, then this becomes invalid. This setup here becomes invalid. So no trade, no nothing here. All right, there's a chance. There is a chance that price could make it all the way back up here and come on back down. All right, so I'm looking out for this one. I still got my eye on it, but because of the price action, we just didn't get an opportunity. Let's look at the next one, NZD USD. NZD USD. Let me just type it in, NZD USD, and there you go. And what did I say on Sunday? What did I say on Sunday? Doggone it. Still have another buy, a demand to supply flip here. And this was just well put together, man. Just well put together. Where's the Sunday? Sunday's right here. Sunday is right here. Yeah. All right. This candle here. I chose this as my POI because this is the reaction from the zone before it breaks. So this is the last supply that price that was there before price broke this demand zone, and that's the one I want to go and check. I want to trade off of, and it came up close. Look at that. But see, the thing is, you have to realize that when you're looking at zones of demand and supply, you always look at the 50% threshold. Yeah, we can get a wick above. We can get a wick above this, but that doesn't mean this zone is broken, and that doesn't mean we won't get a wick or wick back. That wick just up and down, and it's still the median threshold still holds. This was a tradable spot, and I had the my patented entry model here. All right, I push high, a pullback, a higher high, a break below that low, and then a return to impulse somewhere in this leg of structure and down. And that's exactly what we got. Boom, 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 bam. This was your optimal entry, and it fell pretty doggone good. Pretty doggone good, I must say so for myself. And that's from the POI. That's about almost 100. That's almost 100 pips, almost. Not quite 100, but yeah, they're pretty close to 100 pips. So, you know, I'm more than happy with that. More than happy. Hey, smash the like button. You know, if I'm putting out some good stuff, man, you got to smash that like button. You're supposed to have smashed it with gold too, doggone it. I forgot to ask. Anyway, let's go. Let's look at the next one. Pound USD. Pound USD. All right. Let's look it up. Okay. Why don't you type it in? I don't know. USD. All right. And I'm going to forex.com. Let's find the Sunday. What do you call it? Sunday candle. That should be this one right here. All right, this is Sunday candle. I picked this as my POI, just like I did with NZDUSD. And what did it come to? The median threshold of the zone that I marked, right up to the median threshold. Where was the best place to take the trade? Right here. But when it comes back, this is a safe confirmation trade as well. So you can have taken both, and you would have been just squared away. What you want to see is the fact that price had a reaction here to this demand zone. All right, and we picked the supply zone that was there before, you know, as the last zone of supply before price goes ahead and breaks that demand. And price came up here, did its thing here, gave even a nice little bearish engulfer, and then dropped. All right, and that is another great vitamin filled drop. 224 pips. Did you see the count on this from the POI? All right, 224 pips. If you took it up here early, aggressively, you were at 257. Come on, man. There goes that model. There goes that model. All I'm asking you to do is look at the break of structure. Boom. Look at the break of this demand. You're waiting until price comes back up to this supply. Price comes up to that supply. You're in there. Bam. That's it. Let's move on. Aussie USD. Aussie USD. Let's see. Oh, Aussie. Okay, this thing never works when I need it to. All right, let's find the Sunday candle. That's not it. Here we go, right here. This is the Sunday candle. Why did I pick this as my POI? Why did I pick that? Because there was a break of structure here. All right, this is good structure. You had to have done a top-down analysis, or you just follow my analysis. But you see that price came down here. Price came down, made this lower low. All right, and you see how price double jabs that high to make a higher high. I love that it made this. All right, there's a lot of people call this the a breaker, a bearish breaker. But I love the fact it does this, because if it breaks that low, that for me, that structure, if it breaks that low, then price is demonstrating that it wants to go lower. That's what it does for me. Now, I don't know what it does for you, but that's what it does for me. I love seeing that. So as price does come lower and pulls back for a return to impulse, this is a breaker structure, man. A return to impulse. All right, you're looking for a price to come back into this leg of structure to take a short from. You could have took that short from up here. That's not what I suggested in the video. I'm just saying that you could have took this here. All right. The video was focused on what we could do from this point. All right. And because we had broken through, broke structure here, realize this is demand. Okay. That is demand right there. I need you to see that clearly. Okay. And where there is a break of demand, there's supply to trade from. There is supply to trade from. Okay. And this was that reaction off of this demand here. Okay. And I was looking for the flip. Here we are. This whole range of this candle is what I would have been looking at if I were you. And I marked it for you. I marked it for you. And where is the median threshold? The median threshold right in the middle. Where did price come to? Boom. All right. I'm just saying, you could took the trade here, put your stop loss up here if you want a nice big stop loss for a nice swing trade. That's fine. You want to do a 50 pips to make 200. You can do that all day, every day. I look for a more precise entry. When price hits my POI, my place of interest, I go immediately to the 15-minute trade, 15-minute time frame, and I'm starting to look for confirmation entries. And I'm looking for the same thing every time, same thing every time. Okay, and this one dropped pretty nicely too, broke that low. That's all I want for Christmas. How much did it drop from the POI? 104 pips. That's all I'm talking about. You get 100 pips. You can't say nothing to RT money. All right. Don't come saying, what kind of corny trade is that, man? 100 pips is 100 pips. 20 pips makes for great trades. 100 pips makes for an awesome week. That's all I'm saying. One trade would have got you right, like 100%. Let's move on, shall we? To Aussie. Didn't I just do? Wasn't that just Aussie? Yes, I'm sorry. And the last one will be EURUSD. EURUSD. My favorite. Again, I typed in and didn't select. I'm going to get it right one of these days. Don't y'all make fun of me now. Maybe if I can get the spelling right. All right, let's see. Here we go. All right. Oh, London Open. Oh, man. I was mad because I missed this trade. I missed this one. I missed this one. This is my go-to market because EURUSD is the most traded of all FX pairs. All right. Where's my Sunday, what do you call it? Sunday candle. All right. Boom. Right. Chomp. Right. This is the Sunday candle. I chose this one here. All right. As my, because I was looking at this whole thing here, but I got the refined zone up here. All right. Price came right up to it. Boom. All right. I mean, you just can't, you just can't get any better. I marked this one in the chat this morning because I was like, it happened at London. I was asleep and I didn't get an opportunity to jump in. That's fine. I don't do the trade. I don't post these analysis. I don't post the analysis for me. I post it for my viewers, for subscribers, for followers. All right. And when you find a good trade, when you benefit from the analysis, I feel like I've accomplished my mission. Do you understand? I get happy, I get satisfied, and you make my day when you make profits off of something, some analysis that I help with. Okay, so that's where that goes. But this was quite a drop. Nice drop here, don't you think? Doesn't that look pretty? Ooh, from the POI, about 200 pips, about 200 pips. You can't say nothing to RT Money. You can't say nothing to RT Money except, hey man, thank you. Let me tell you this, I appreciate your feedback. Drop me a comment on any of the videos that we just covered. Leave me a comment in any of these videos, all right, in the comment section. Okay, you can leave it in this section as well, in the comment section of this video. Let me know which one I might have helped with. Let me know which one you missed because of me or something, or you think my analysis is too weird and too hard to figure out. You know, tell me if you got in, you know, with some good entries. All right. Let me know if you find a benefit, if you're picking up what I'm putting down. Okay. I love hearing from my viewers and my subscribers, and I look forward to hearing from you with this update video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.